So what is the way forward when we're looking at reconciliations in a traditional sense versus the incorporation of AI to assist us with our workflow? Look, I personally believe there is a massive benefit in using AI to improve and streamline our workflow. We currently have access to high-resolution drone data, which has previously not been widely available, and this allows a very accurate review of the as-built pit and ensures the results that we're using for any analysis are reflective of the in-situ ground conditions. Based on the accuracy and the speed of report generation that we can now do with the incorporation of AI, post-excavation surveys, measurement and reporting should all be considered a standard part of the wall sign-off process. There is really no reason now, with the inclusion of AI and drone imagery, why it would take a full day of manual calculations and spreadsheets to complete a reconciliation on a pit wall. The beauty of this, and it's something that I consider key, is that in order to make this happen, site does not need to collect any additional data outside of what they're already doing. So the majority of sites that I work with these days are using drones on a regular basis and taking the data that they've collected from that drone, uploading it into the program, and then having that processed. There's nothing else that they need to collect that would add into their daily workflow. And obviously with sites already busy, every engineer or surveyor is running around already at max capacity. Any additional requests, anything that's not critical to daily operations, will often get pushed to the back of the queue. But if we can take that data that's already captured without any additional work being done, I believe that's key to making sure that these recons can happen on a regular basis and that we get the full use of data that we're collecting.